Hey, how you doing? Austin here. As you can tell, I'm coming to you still from the road, still traveling on vacation with my family. We're actually not in Denver anymore. We've moved up to in the Vail area, our continued lacrosse tournaments for my son. So that's where we're at, and so I kind of got a really picturesque scenery behind me. I apologize for not being able to record for you guys sooner today, but it's been an absolute crazy day. We had lacrosse tournaments all day today, then we had to drive from Denver all the way up here, get checked in the hotel. A lot of stuff moving on. You're going to hear a lot of noises because I'm actually on the second floor and there's people down below. So if you hear any kind of noise below me, that's what you hear. I'll move the microphone just a little bit closer to me. So let's talk about what's going on with Shiba Inu. Shiba has continued to have a little bit of pressure on it, and really we've got this kind of sideways pattern developing, right? I mean, it's basically, guys, what I've been saying all along, in that I think that Shiba is going to continue to really trade sideways in this market, and we're waiting for the catalysts that we know are coming. We're waiting for Coinbase Pro to get their quote technical issues figured out, and then beyond that to come onto the platform, have a solid good outing, which we know they will, because there is a tremendous amount of pent-up demand, people looking for Shiba. We know that they're waiting, and Coinbase Pro really is not, in my opinion, going to do a lot to dramatically increase the overall volume of retail money coming into SHIB. It's just that first step to get us onto Coinbase, right? Then from there, we are going to move over, and we will move into the Coinbase.com and things like that. But with all that said, when the news hits that it is going to be trading on Coinbase, that will be a catalyst. That catalyst will move Shiba Inu up. Again, I apologize for all the kind of outside noise, but our room, there's no good lighting in our room. There's no desk. So I thought I'd get y'all a little picturesque scenery here as well. And you can see kind of overall, we're going to take a quick look at Shiba's chart. We're up 2%, okay? And that's really, frankly, what I've been saying, is that, we're playing in that kind of field where, Shiba is trading in that 731 to 808 range. It's right here on the side. That chart's just not going to load for me, it looks like. That's fine. We've already kind of looked at our trading view chart, so we'll continue to move on. But the volume is down about 17.5. Market cap's moved up. But if we go back and we look at the overall kind of coin market cap, look at overall ranking of everything, we can see that Bitcoin itself continues to be flat. Ethereum continues to be flat. Binance, everything, Cardano, Dogecoin, everything, guys, is just that flat scenario. And I'm not really expecting any major movement in the short term. I'm really not. I expect Shiba to continue to trade sideways, if not down a little bit more. I'm not saying that. You guys know I'm a fan of SHIB. I own Shiba. Frankly, I'm looking at it, if we do dip some more, to add to my level, because I think that there's some opportunity there, okay? And I think that, looking at the overall kind of market, though, I know you guys came here for SHIB, but, you also got to look beyond SHIB. You got to look at some of the other ones. If you're solely and only invested in SHIB, then I would tell you that you need to be looking at maybe having a little bit of money in some of the other coins. Have some money in Bitcoin, have some money in Ethereum, Cardano, Polygon. AMP is one that I really, really like as well, and there's a few others that are kind of down there towards the number 30, 40, 50 ranked in the overall CMC ranking. But really, if you want to circle back to SHIB, this is a really, really great coin that has just continued to defy the odds, and I really want to stress that. It's continued to just prove the naysayers wrong. It's continued to just continue to get, its legs underneath it, and continue to gain popularity, as well as gaining kind of solidarity and just, there's a word I'm searching for. It's continued to get stronger. That's really what I'm trying to convey. It's just continued to get stronger and stronger and stronger. And that's something that I think a lot of people, the bears and the shorts out there, the people who are looking to short, sell in the overall crypto, I think we have shut them up. I think that we have, proven and seen that SHIB is a really, really good community coin. Yes, it's a meme coin, but I really think of it as a community coin. Like Dogecoin, SafeMoon, Shiba, they're all these really standout community coins, right? And that's what I call them. I'm not sure, what everybody else wants to call them, but I think of them as, yes, we all know that they're meme coins and things of that nature, but they're really, at the end of the day, community coins that have continued to develop their use case around the fact that they are a community coin and they have these armies built around them that believe in them and that invest in them and continue to propel them up. And then you've got that beyond that, you've got potential use cases developing down the road. By the way, I don't know if you heard the news, and I broke it the other day, but Shiba is going to be accepted as a form of payment in Paraguay. If you have, of all places, and there's an entertainment group down there that's going to open it up where Bitcoin and I believe Dogecoin and I want to say Shiba and one probably I'm leaving off are going to be accepted as payment, to like go out for dinner and movies and clubs and things of that nature. And I can't remember the exact name of it. I think it's like Grupo Cinco or something like that. But I broke that in a previous video where that's going to be something that's a use case. You start to see Shiba being developing into a coin that is going to be used as currency. And I think and the reason it is, let's just cut to the chase, right? The reason it is because of its popularity. You look at Coinbase. Coinbase.com, Coinbase would not have brought Shiba on, guys, if it wasn't for its popularity, if it wasn't for the community, if it wasn't for the Shiba Army, right? The SHIB Army. That wouldn't have happened. Robinhood wouldn't be considering, and I guarantee you Robinhood's going to bring them on. Robinhood's going to bring them on because of the popularity, but because also Coinbase did. And you know why? Because they're not stupid either. They know that there's a tremendous amount of pent-up demand, and they're going to make money off of the transactions. Let's just say what it is, right? And the fact that is a dramatic catalyst that's going to continue, in my belief, to propel Shiba forward and other coins and tokens like it, right? I'm going to remind you there's over 10,200 plus, probably more than that now, coins out there and more coming every single day. And it's almost impossible, guys, for coins to break through. And there's so many coins and tokens that have, great use cases and things of that nature, that never get out of the gate. Let me tell you guys a little interesting fact. I get at least 4 to 5 emails a day from different brand new coins wanting me to promote them on my channel. And you guess what? I'm not going to do that because you guys trust me to bring you good information on solid coins and to bring you the good and the bad, right, about those coins. And if it's a brand new ICO, brand new coin, the most of them will never get out of the gate, and I'm not going to betray your confidence and your trust in me. Okay, so the reason I bring you Shiba and continue to bring you Shiba and SafeMoon and Dogecoin and other coins like that is because they have proven and kind of weathered the test of time. Yes, I know Shiba is brand new. I get that. Okay, but my point to you is that that's one that I report on because you guys want that information, and I'm not going to betray that confidence by bringing you a token, a coin that is just brand new and has no really nothing around it, and frankly, the odds are pretty high that it might be a con or something might be wrong with it. And I'm not going to betray your confidence in me because that's important to me. Okay, and so I want you to know that I'll continue to be here for you and bring you good news and information and continue to bring the information. So let's wrap up with this. I'm not expecting Shiba to do anything really in the short term. In fact, it may drop a little bit. That's not FUD. That's not me being a naysayer. That's just me looking at the reality of the situation. Because I think the situation is this. I think that for the rest of the month of June and maybe into the first week of July, I think we're going to continue to trade a little low, if not volume down. Bitcoin, Ethereum, I think we're going to continue to have some pressure on them. Also, I'll show you this. The number of short selling positions has dropped dramatically from a peak of about 25,000 down to about 9,000 now. So that's good news. Okay, so we're going to end on that note. I'll continue to be here, and I'll be here. I'm gonna have a couple of videos up for you tomorrow morning, bright and early, and you'll have those when you wake up. All right, guys, take care. See you.